How to link GCash account to TikTok Shop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can manage your transaction and manage your payment integration in TikTok Shop with GCash. First thing you have to do is open up your TikTok application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you're just going to have to tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, once you are here, go to balance, or you could go to settings and privacy first, and then find your payment method here. If you don't see it, just go back and go to balance from here. Once you go to the balance section, you'll find different coins that you can purchase for your account. Tap on get coins here, and you'll be able to find different bundles that you can buy. Let's say if you want to recharge 350 coins, that's going to be $5.40. Tap on recharge. Now it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. If you've already added your wallet or your balance, any other payment method, you can continue with that. But if you want to change it, tap on your payment method. And instead of this card, you can use your card linked with your GCash account to manage all of your payments in TikTok Shop as well as these reward coins. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.